big boy.
What's that game called?
Let's clean it up, Mommy. Stand by.
Okay. What's this game called?
Let's open the machine. A baby, Mommy.
Hey, can you show me what these puzzles are?
These?
Yeah. It's hands and...
And
What's on the other side? Hands and...
feet.
feet.
Okay, stack that on your game. Let's open another one. And then we can play with them. Okay?
Don't do that. They're for other movies.
Yeah, open more presents, dude.
Like this, I opened this big present.
Open this one first. Do this one first, and then you can do those.
This one's not big anymore.
That one's not big anymore.
It's not in my tongue.
Oh yeah, that one's not heavy.
This one's not Daddy. Let's send it. Let's send it.
I don't know.
Look, it's already got a spot that's torn open on the bottom.
What is it? What is it? It's a prize.
It's a prize.
Whoa!
Get every little bit off of there.
It's okay, you can leave that.
Whoa. Whoa.
What's in that box?
Good
go.
job.
No.
What is it?
Feet. Tell me to say.
What are these jammies?
They're jammies, dude.
Look, who's on them?
Someone's on them.
Yep.
I see my friend this. Ma'am.
Okay.
It's Christmas, Mommy.
It's Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Mommy should take the tag off that. Forgot.
Whoa.
Is there paper in that one? Nope.
I
There you go.
have my green on. I have my green shoes on, Daddy.
Lightning
Look.
McQueen shoes? I am looking.
Look, you don't know my feet anymore.
Now your feet won't be cold.
Alright, open that one.
What's really heavy?
Whoa, it's really heavy.
What's in that box? Do it on the side like you did the others.
He's got it.
Whoa!
Whoa, what are they?
Whoa! Wow!
Look at those
Blocks.
Let's go sit on it.
You could build a huge tower.
Let's do that.
Let's do
Let's
that.
do that.
That is the next one. Oh, this big one.
Okay, another big one.
Oh. Oh.
That's it.
Goodness.
Whoa! What's in it? Inside it. Where's my castle?
It's more blocks. We can build a really big castle.
Whoa! What's happening?
Here, stand it up.
What's happening?
Let's open it. Well, let's let Mommy and Daddy open their presents, and then we'll play with the toys, okay?
I'm better that toy.
Okay. What about your scooter?
Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
I have to take it off the rug.
Wait.
Oh, parking it right there.
I'm going to study this.
Hey,
Here.
you like your presents?
Open this. Open this. Open this.
You want me to open it?
Open it myself. Open it myself.